Hello friends, I'm in Cygnett in Ramachandra in Visakapatnam. This is a little outside in Visakapatnam. So in this video, I'm going to give you the room tour. So let's get started. This is the door through which I have come into the room. So there is an emergency evacuation plan here. And once you enter, there is this wardrobe. There's a locker inside, and there is some space to keep your luggage. And here you have a full-length mirror. This is just opposite to the entrance, and this mirror is actually a door which opens to the bathroom. So in the bathroom you have a wash basin, a bucket is provided, you can see the towels, a shower partition, glass shower partition, commode, a dustbin, and then a soap, shampoo and shower gel. That is the shower. There is also a telephone here. So let's get out of the bathroom. Here there is a sofa and a center table. And opposite to this there is a full-length mirror with a study desk. There is a chair here, a digital clock, a wooden tissue box. It is very beautiful. And here is the beverages station. Below this is the mini bar. There are some chocolates. Now let's come to the bed. This is a king size bed. On either side there are built-in side tables, and you can see the light on either side. There is a telephone here and a cute Egyptian kind of wall poster. Just look at the way this has been organized. This runner, bed runner. Opposite there is a TV and a TV unit. You can see the remotes here. It's already dark, so no point in showing you the outside. So if I have to go 360 degrees, okay, let me stand here and go 360 degrees. This is the door, the wardrobe, the luggage place, the bathroom. Sofa. And the bed. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel to get more updates on such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.